got so much motherfucking design on right now.
Break it down, bring it back, make it clap. I got 3 old thoughts, new block, where that dick. Bitches on my line, and you know.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillahirrabbilalamin. Assalatu wassalamu ala asyrafil anbiya'i wal mursalin Sayyidina wa maulana Muhammadin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in. Amma ba'du. Hello everyone, how are you today? I hope you are fine there. Here, I together with my friend will introduce ourselves. Okay, starting with me. My name is Nikmatul Maufiroh. You can call me Nikma. I'm from Islamic Religious Education major, Faculty of Tarbiyah and Teacher Training Maulana Malik Ibrahim State University. Okay, now let me explain about the result of observation regarding the implementation of counseling guidance and MTSN Probolinggo City. Okay, the background in this report. Education in Indonesia, especially in madrasah, has a big responsibility in forming a generation that has fight, piety, and noble character. Apart from that, education at madrasah must also be able to develop student academic, social, emotional, and career potential optimally. To achieve this goal, guidance and counseling service are a very important component. And then, madrasah as Islamic educational institution have a holistic mission in forming the character of students who are not only intellectually intelligent but also have good morale. Guidance and counseling in madrasah aims to provide psychosocial support to students, helping them manage stress, improve interpersonal skills, and develop self-confidence. Through this report, it is hoped that it can provide an overview of the extent to which this policy has been implemented in madrasah and what impact it has had on student development. With effective guidance and counseling service, madrasah can focus more on optimizing the learning and development process student. Okay. Identity of the source. His name Maimunah Mirantini, SPSI. Address in Street Kiai Damarjati, RT 11, RW 4, Tongas Wetan, District Tongas, Probolinggo. His work, teacher of guidance and counseling in MTSN Probolinggo City. Okay, observation ratio is number 1. Is there a special teacher at MTSN Probolinggo City for the guidance counseling program? Yes. In MTSN Probolinggo City, does have special teacher to provide teaching on guidance and counseling material. In providing material and counseling guidance activities, there are respective teachers who are responsible for teaching. In this school, there are 4 guidance and counseling teachers, each of whom is responsible for providing material and directing the student, such as Miss Mira, who help all the 9th grade student, and the next Mr. Endovari help all the 7th grade student, and Mr. Bravo and Miss Kartika hold the grade 7. Okay, next, what is the role of guidance and counseling teacher at MTS and Probolinggo City? The role of guidance and counseling in madrasah is very important because based on Permendikbud 111 issued by the Ministry of Education and Culture, it is stated that at every level of formal education, there must be a teacher counseling, guidance and counseling. And guidance and counseling are also teachers who complement each other with other teachers, where the guidance and counseling teacher is a way to solve problems and develop the character of his student so that they become better students. So, as long as the students are in the school environment, the guidance and counseling teacher is responsible. If something happens that concerns the student, the program given by guidance and counseling teacher to their student always refer to Permendikbud 111 by the Ministry of Education and Culture. The guidance and counseling teacher also coordinate with the head of the curriculum and also the head of the madrasah in determining the number of students who will be guided by each guidance and counseling teacher the school. Okay, next. Is there a short time schedule for providing guidance and counseling material in each class? At this school, guidance and counseling material or classical service are provided to students offline by providing guidance and counseling material in each class for a maximum of one time for 50 minutes in 1 week. So, this guidance and counseling material has been included in the student lesson schedule at the madrasah. However, guidance and counseling teachers still have other service for their student. Namely, when there is a student who needs independent guidance from the guidance and counseling teacher. So, the guidance and counseling teacher will serve if the student has a problem that they only want to discuss in privacy. And this service encourage out flexible with free time other than in class. The guidance and counseling program provided by the madrasah still uses reference from Permendikbud 111 and also POPBK. At the junior high school level, the classical material or service provided are in accordance with POPBK and are also based on the result of each student's assessment. So, the material given by class 7, 8, and 9 does not necessarily provide the same material.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Alifia Nuraihan with the last number 017. I will continue the matter that my friend Nikma has continued, which will be discussed next. The point 4: how do you provide guidance and counseling material to each class? Is the material provided different in each class? So, the provision of classical material or service at the school is not only provided by guidance and counseling teachers, but the school also collaborates with other institutions to provide classical service to Probolinggo City MTS and students. Currently, the school is collaborating a lot with the community health center, the police, the BKKBN, and the social service. If the guidance and counseling teacher cannot provide the material himself, the guidance and counseling collaborate with that institution by bringing them into the school and providing the classical service material. For example, in class 8, there is material about the danger of drugs. So, the school proposed the police to collaborate in providing this material, which will be given to students at MTS and Probolinggo City. Then, if the guidance and counseling teacher can deliver classical material or service directed to their student, then the guidance and counseling does not need to involve this institution and the provision of the material. It adjusts to the creativity of each guidance and counseling teacher. At this school, the facility and infrastructure in each class are supportive, so that guidance and counseling teacher can provide material in the form of video, game, sociodrama, and also by giving instruction to their students to search for themselves on the internet. Because the school is equipped With an internet network, the material perfect is different in each class, but the stage have been adjusted to POBBK reference. The material perfect it adjusts to the urgency and presence of problems at school. In the next point 5. What problem often occur among students at MTS and Probolinggo City so far? The problem in each school are different because each guidance and counseling teacher has four type of counseling guidance, namely guidance in the personal fields, social fields, a learning field, and career field. For example, 7th grade. Students often have personal problems because they are still transitioning from elementary school to the middle school or MS. Example of personal problems includes the having difficulty finding friends for 1 month, still not able to discipline to the time because maybe it still depends on parents. Then the problem in grade 8 are usually problems in the social field. For example, starting to like the opposite sex, starting to form your own group. Meanwhile, in grade 9, the problem that are usually in the career field. Students have start looking for information and view about secondary school. They are starting to get confused about which secondary school they will choose. Whether it's senior high school or madrasah school or SMK. Next, in the point 6, what is the solution for dealing with problem caused by student at MDS and Probolinggo City? To handle problem created by student, the method for solving them is adjust to their respective guidance and counseling teacher. Because the problems of these students are different, the guidance counselor also collaborates with fellow counselors and institutions where students might need special treatment. If the problem is not too big or serious, then the guidance and counseling teacher can handle it through personal counseling for the student. If it is felt that the counseling and guidance cannot solve it through personal guidance, then the guidance and counseling teacher takes counseling to the next stage by involving the class teacher or teaching teacher who discovered the individual problem. The deputy principal will we ask for opinion and suggestion for further handling. And the role of parent is also needed in dealing with these problems. The last chapter is conclusion. Based on the result of the observation we have made, it can be concluded that at MTS and Probolinggo City there are 4 counseling guidance teachers, whose job is to provide counseling material and service to students from various classes in accordance with Ministry of Education and Culture Regulation 111. Guardians, our counseling teacher, play an important role in supporting development, student personal, social, academic, and career interests, as well as collaborating with external institutions such as community health center, police station, and social service to provide additional service. Counseling material is delivered offline and adapt to the needs of each class, with a maximum frequency of 40 minutes per week. In addition, guidance and counseling teacher provide individual counseling service for students who need special guidance. Various creativity methods, such as videos and games, are used to support the delivery of material, and handling of student problems is carried out in collaboration between guidance counselors, class teachers, deputy principal, and parents to ensure its problem is handled appropriately. Okay, I think enough. Maybe you have any question, you can in the next meet. Okay, thank you for attention and see you next video, and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.